In this example, one thing that we have is, if we want to go ahead and combine like terms, you guys can look at this. And the main important thing when you guys are trying to add, we have to make sure we have common denominators. All right. Now, for this one, I wouldn't really want to be looking into adding these. However, there are going to be some problems where you're going to have to add and subtract, meaning you're going to have to get common denominators. In this case, though, rather than doing that, I'm going to look at this and I'm thinking, all right, what are all these algebraic techniques? We worked on adding, subtracting, multiply, dividing. But a lot of times, we're also going to have to look into rhymes with tractoring. Factoring, right? That factoring stuff is never going to go away. Yes? This is cosine squared of x times cotangent squared of x. So now, to do this, what I'm going to have to do is factor out my common term. So when factoring out my common term, you guys can see that they both share a cosine squared of x. Therefore, it's going to be 1 plus cotangent squared of x. So by factoring out a cosine, I'm now leave me with 1 plus cotangent squared of x, which, just like kind of the last problem, we know that 1 plus cotangent squared of x is cosecant squared. So I have cosine squared of x times cosecant squared of x. Now, again, that might not make too much sense to you unless we can rewrite the cosecant, which we can rewrite as 1 over sine squared. Then, as I multiply those across, I'm now left with cosine squared of x over sine squared of x, which equals tangent squared of x. Should be your simplified version. OK? So again, it's just going to work on a lot of using your identities